welcome to YouTube channel HealthQ, the place where my mission is to motivate you to look at the brighter side of the health. In today's video, I would be demonstrating you some of these stretching exercises which would be helpful for you if you are suffering from scoliosis. Scoliosis is one very common spinal problem which could lead to multiple impairments. And that's why correcting scoliosis is of prime importance. Doing regular stretching exercises make sure that you stay away from the aches and pains that commonly occur due to scoliosis. So what are these stretching exercises? Let's have a look. Before I show you the stretching exercise, it's important for you to understand what exactly scoliosis is. Scoliosis basically stands for abnormal lateral curvature of your spine, which means one side of your spine is bent towards either left or right side, and the shape of the spine is either of C shape or else S shape. In both of the scenario, one side where the convexity of the spine is there, that side of muscles are weak, and the muscles on which side there is concavity in the spinal curvature, that side of the muscles are tight. So the idea of scoliosis management along with breathing exercise is to stretch the tight muscles and strengthen the weak muscles. So in today's video, I would be showing you some of the exercises which would be helpful to stretch the tight region. So how to do this exercise? Let's have a look. So before you begin doing your stretching exercise, it's important to determine which side of your spine is concave and which side of the spine is convex. In order to do this, you can either visit a physiotherapist and get an understanding of it. If you want to examine by yourself, you can click the picture of your back and then determine what side of your spine is concave and what side of your spine is convex. The method to figure this out is breathing examination. This is not a very accurate method as it can get wrong somewhere, but still it would be manageably okay to understand. So to check that, keep two hands at your ribs level and observe your breathing. Usually the side where your lung expansion or your rib expansion is less is the tight side, and the area where the lung expansion is more is usually the weaker or else the convex side. So for example, if I'm breathing, if I observe that this side is not opening well or as the ribs are not expanding well, this is my tight side and this is the place where I need to do my stretching exercises. So now let's have a look what are the stretching exercises. The first exercise is basically a child pose. In order to do this, you can come either on a couch or else you can do it on the floor. Kneel sit position. Now when you are in this kneel sitting position, what you need to do is, you need to create some gap between your legs. So I'll keep my hand and then I will twist my spine in the opposite direction. I'll stay in this position for 30 counts. And then I will come back. Again, I'll repeat, twist, and then come back. Again, twist, and come back. Remember here, you need to do the stretch only towards the concave side, so towards the convex side, so that your concave side gets stretched. So this is exercise number 1. Exercise number 2 is basically cat and camel exercise. So in this, you come to all four position and then first tuck your tummy in and then look up. 2 up, 3 down, 4 down, 5 down. Like this, you will do this for 10 to 15 repetitions. For the third exercise, you need to take a pillow. Right now, I'm taking a wedge pillow. You can take any other pillow as well. Alright, now the area where you need to give the stretch will again come upward, and the area which needs to be compressed or is pressed inside should come downward. So keeping this pillow, I am going to sleep over this pillow in a way where I can then extend my hand up this way so that this area gets stretched. And then I will come back. So what I'm doing is I'm giving a nice stretch to this area. The another way of stretching the affected side or is the tight side of your scoliosis is by removing the pillow. But this time your tight side should come down. So you need to prop up yourself this way, bend, and then just come in this position. So as you stay in this position, your spine gets stretched and this area gets synced down. So again you hold this for 30 counts and then you come back. Hold this for 30 counts, come back. 30 counts, hold and come back. 30 counts, hold and come back. So you do this again for 3 to 5 repetitions. Now moving to the next exercise, again you will come to sitting position. Keep your legs apart, or else you can also, if you can sit over a table with or else a stool where you can spread your hands well, you can spread it. Now consider this side is my tight side and I need to stretch it. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to keep my hands on this way and then I'm going to stretch out. Hold. And then I come back. Again, hold, stretch, and come back. Again, stretch, and then come back. You can do this exercise again for 5 to 10 repetitions. And last exercise is in standing. Come in a comfortable standing position. Keep your hands apart first. Now if you have to stretch this side, the opposite side of the hand, you keep it on your waist and then you will twist and bend so that this area of your spine gets stretched. Hold this for 30 counts and then you come back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5, and relax. So friends, these exercises makes the stretching exercise for the tight side scoliosis. I hope you found this video helpful. If you need further help related to your scoliosis problem, make sure to book a consultation with us. Our physiotherapist would be able to help you out further. I hope you found this video helpful. For more such health awareness video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in another video. Thank you.